So what to do with the Pearce defense? In this case, I'm playing an opponent who's rated 150 points higher than myself. And we stick to the principle of playing the Austrian where possible, pushing e6 even when it seems unlikely that it's going to result in much, then always have the threat of opening the H file. So without further ado, we're going to show you an interesting line. And this is going to be a learning experience for everybody, hopefully. These are all standard moves. And now we see this line played, which I believe was played in Spassky-Fischer, the first World Championship match. And the computer's recommending a check with the bishop. I push. Now immediately it says black has an advantage. Obviously, the whole pawn chain is undermined. It's going to fall apart. So Stockfish says move to d7. This player moves to g4. Now supposedly this is a losing move. It says d takes c5 is the right move. So let's just look at it as an example. D takes c5, then d takes e5, queen checks, king takes, h3, e4. It says, oh, black or white gets a decent advantage. I don't play that move, but it's good to remember that d takes c5 is a good move. I play bishop checks, which is not the recommended move. Interpose. Now it says checks gives me a slight advantage. Instead I push. And now my advantage is going to be missing here. It said he should have played bishop takes. Now simply to move knight to g5, which is the computer recommended move. Bishop takes is somewhat forced. Knight takes e6 follows. And now black plays bishop takes d4. And the question is, what do I do? Knight takes b5 appears to give us a small edge. For one thing, after the check, he can't really take that knight back because of the fork on c7. So there are a whole lot of interesting things that are going to happen here. And mistakenly, I didn't know the line well enough. I just thought I could take the queen. So that was a silly move, and here's what happened. Check, 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 check. Theoretical draw, and it is a draw. So this is something to remember in this particular line, with the things being out of order the way they are, that there is a theoretical draw here like this. Okay.